Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool zoom in video transition on CapCut PC. So add in 3 keyframes, add in 1, 2, and 3. So like at the end, at the middle, and at the beginning of your clip. And you're just going to do it for all of your clips as well. Like so. And lastly we have this one. And that one. Okay, so on the middle one, you're going to zoom in just a little bit, like maybe that much, and then on the last clip, you're going to want to zoom in a little bit more than that. Okay, maybe not that much. 150%. Let's see. What should I have this for? Okay. And you're just going to do it for all of your clips. Might make it 170 actually. Let's just go back to this one. Okay, we have this last clip. Alright, once you're done, right click, go to show keyframe animation. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you can see. On the middle keyframe, select graphs and select ease out 1. And on the last graph, can I even select it? Select it and select ease in 1. Okay, maybe on this one instead, I should add the graphs to. Oh, okay, I already added that in. And you're just going to do that for all of your videos. So on the first keyframe, ease out 1, and then on the second keyframe, add in ease in 1. And you're going to again do it for this one. Ease out 1. And then for the second keyframe, ease in 1. If it's too zoomed in, just like adjust it, but that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!